Welcome back, guys. So in this video I'll be installing my Cush Core and also a new set of tyres. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is remove the wheels from the bike. Some of the tools that you've been needing for the job are some tyre sealant, tyre levers, your Cush Core insert, a floor pump, and your tyres. So first, you want to let all the air out of your tyres. Now pop the bead off and remove your tyre. And you can now remove your valve stem. Make sure you put that somewhere safe so you don't lose it. And if you find it easier, you can use your tyre levers to lever the tyre off the rim. And also something else that I forgot to mention you'll be needing is a rag. So now I'm just going to give the rim a quick wipe down. And now repeat on your second wheel. Now you're probably wondering why I am installing Cush Core. So the reason why I'm installing Cush Core is because I'm getting too many pinch flats. Even though I'm running tubeless tyres, I'm still getting pinch flats. So hopefully with the inserts, it doesn't create a pinching point. So hopefully I can stay out on the trails for longer. And this is another reason why I'm getting Cush Core. I don't know if you can see that, but the rim is slightly damaged. Just on the edge there, and also on a little bit on the other side too. So with Cush Core, it's going to help protect the rim a little bit better. I'm going to try and bend this out just because I don't think I'll be able to get the tyre to seal on the lip there. But if not, sadly I might have to get a new rim. We'll see. So after a little bit of panel beating, I've got all the dents out of the rim. It's not too bad. That's actually pretty good. So what I did off camera is I just got a shifter and just sort of slowly bent it back into place. It's definitely not the right tool for the job, but it saves me buying a new rim. Now you can install your valve stem. So now that you got your valve in, you can now install your tyre. I've also got this up on the wheelbarrow just to make things a little bit easier. Now that I've got the tyre on, I'm just going to pump it up so I can pop the bead on, and then I'm going to take one side of the bead off, and then I'm going to insert my Cush Core through that. So I've just tried to pop the bead with just the floor pump, but I couldn't do it, so I've just gotten the air compressor. I've popped the bead on, I've let all the air back out, and I'm just going to take one side of the bead off, just enough so I can insert my Cush Core. So I've ditched the wheelbarrow, I've now got this basket. Hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. So now that I've got the tyre off the bead just on this front section here, now I'm going to install the Cush Core. So I finally got the tyre and Cush Core in after a bit of help from my brother, because this tyre is such a thick casing. I've definitely struggled to get it on, but got it on. Now I'm just going to put some tubeless sealant in it. And yes, the Cush Core can be a tight fit, which it should be a tight fit. Now with your valve core remover, just remove the valve core, this little thing here. Now you can put your sealant in your tyre. So this is 2 ounces or 59 millilitres of sealant. And that should be good to do 1 tyre. Now just install the valve core back in and tighten up. And just move the tyre around to spread the sealant all throughout the tyre. Now just repeat with your other tyre. This one doesn't have Cush Core in it, so I didn't have to worry about putting Cush Core in it. That's why I'm just going straight onto the sealant. Now inflate your tyres to your desired PSI. And now repeat with your other tyre. So I've got the sealant in, now the tyres are pumped up to the right PSI. I'm going to go back and install them on my bike. The new set of tyres I'm running is a Schwalby Magic Mary in the soft compounds and in the trail casing. And on the rear, I'm running a Schwalby Hansadamp in a soft compound rubber with the gravity casing. So I've just finished installing my fresh set of tyres and my Cush Core inserts. I definitely learned a lot making this video. It's definitely easier having a partner to help put on the Cush Core and also to bead the tyre, because my tyre was so thick, the sidewall of my tyre was so thick, I found it hard to beat it on by myself. So having an extra person definitely makes it a little bit easier. And also make sure you have your rotation arrow pointing the right way. With that being said, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you learned something and enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.